our motto for NanoSpotMaxx is it's strong enough for the professional cleaner, but safe enough for mom, and it is. Okay, so one of the other areas I tested this on, and this product I've tested longer than any other product I've released to the industry. I probably had about 10 months of field testing on this to get the formula just where I wanted it. So this cabinet I had cleaned before. I'll clean it again just for the sake of this. We'll spray on a little bit. We'll give it a few seconds while I'm talking. And as they reach for their tools in here and they get bits for the CNC machines or the drill presses or whatever they need to do, they're constantly touching this with the grease that they have on their hands from doing their job. And you can see here it's already starting to run. And if I just rub it with my finger, you can just see it's already dissolving the years of grease. And other than all the chips and scratches, look how easy that's just wiping off. So, you know, our motto for NanoSpotMaxx is it's strong enough for the professional cleaner, but safe enough for mom, and it is. Remember, this is a 0 health rating from OSHA. The 0 is the best you can get. It's made from corn and soy and palm and coconut and food-based ingredients. But if you need a green cleaner that doesn't have any odor to it, no scent, doesn't change the indoor environment, that can cut through the worst grease and still be safe for your wool carpets, your regular synthetic carpets, your upholstery, your countertops, most anything that can be wet cleaned, you can use this on, and it does a fantastic job. And don't forget, this also has AFT, a Bonnet Pro exclusive, active film technology. And the active film technology will allow future cleanings to be easier for you because that protective layer that the AFT imparts on the surface that you're cleaning helps prevent oily binders from attaching to it, making it easier to clean in the future.